Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable and use the extended thinking feature for your prompts in Claude AI. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me launch the Claude AI desktop application for that, but you can do this also through the web version. And what you want to do is navigate to your one of your conversations here from that list on the left hand side, or start a new chat by clicking into new chat here or using that button or shortcut here. So guys, what you want to do is click into write the message here, enter your message there, and then you may click into the given language model here in the bottom right corner. Alright guys, instead of switching the language model under more models here, you can, for instance, enable the extended thinking here. For example, if you provide Claude AI with a prompt that relates to a complex task or project, so that Claude AI may take longer for the thinking process, but it may also provide a longer text. So enable it here, and after that enter your prompt, press enter, and you will see the result here, and it will, as previously mentioned, be longer than these default replies. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.